And let's talk about one pretty dramatic day in court. A Cuyahoga County judge sentenced a former North Ridgeville teacher today on multiple charges.
An emotional scene in court today and plenty to get to. That teacher was arrested back in November for stalking her ex-boyfriend, stealing belongings from his car, and repeatedly showing up to the school where he works. Annabelle Childers brings us into the courtroom and breaks down the dispute between her attorney and the judge.
Year-old Hannah Freeman appeared to be completely caught off guard in court. This morning, she appeared for sentencing on multiple charges. But first, a quick recap on how we got here. Freeman's ex-boyfriend called Westlake police last November, saying he'd been having issues with Freeman since they broke up in April.
My ex-girlfriend continues to stalk me and park her car next to wherever I am and follow me home every night.
The ex said Freeman had stolen belongings from his car and also followed him to the middle school where he worked. Freeman was also a teacher at the time, but the two worked at separate districts. Officers later confronted Freeman.
Well, we got a complaint from him that you were in his vehicle tonight and you're harassing him and stalking him.
I mean, I don't know what to tell you.
Okay. Did you take some items from him last night?
Freeman was arrested for stalking, burglary, aggravated theft, and more. But this June, she entered a guilty plea to reduce charges. Which brings us to her sentencing. From the beginning, the atmosphere was tense. Freeman's attorney, Michael Kinlan, argued Freeman has no prior record outside of a noise complaint. And Freeman also spoke.
I regret the incident. I definitely acted out of emotion, and I regret that decision that I made that night, and I will take steps necessary to move on from this incident, and you will not see me back here again.
After hearing statements, Judge David Matia issued this sentence.
I'm going to place you on 18 months of community control.
Matia went on to order no contact with the victim, house arrest with work release and mental health counseling. But this was the real kicker.
And you will serve the first 7 days of this term of probation in our county jail.
At this point, Your Honor, I'm going to make a motion to withdraw her plea and would rather go to trial.
Because you don't like the sentence?
No, because we don't like the way the court has interpreted the facts.
The judge firing back.
When was this case indicted?
December.
Yeah, half a year ago.
Your Honor,
Did you make any effort to talk to me in the last 6 months about how I would sentence your client?
Yes.
No. Your bad practice is not my problem.
I don't think it's my bad practice.
We're done.
Now, after that moment, Freeman was escorted to the jail where she is right behind me. We reached out today to her former employer, the North Ridgeville City School District. They told us that she was removed and put on unpaid administrative leave following the incident, and she has not been back in the district since.